lot of AI tools we have like Midjourney, ChatGPT, Grok, Claudia, a lot of AI tools. A lot of things are happening. Are they just hype or there's a real transformation beneath this hype as well?
From hype point of, there's no hype. There might be hype from an investment angle, because quite possible that money is going different valuations and a lot of people chasing it. There could be hype there, but that's not a topic of discussion. Coming back to technology as such as application, the real thing happening, the real problems are being solved. And issue is not automation as such. The issue is more of intelligent automation. So repetitive tasks getting automated. We have seen over the years that manual calculation is becoming calculator. That's happening, and that will happen, right? So it is very much happening, the intelligent automation happening. So what basically means is that it is solving a real problem, which is a repetitive problem. Problem has complex, hand-holding. For example, we work a lot in supply chain function where multiple hand-holding happens when you move a good from a place to place B, right? That is always automated through a file system. But to detect an error, you take 7 days, right? Diagnostic part. But available data through AI tools, this intelligent automation can detect the error in a fraction of seconds. So whole time goes in remedial action rather than diagnostic part of it. So a lot of things happening there. Now, second part on the AI tools or models we're talking about is also an issue that, just to clarify here, a lot of people, and it comes from various places, use these tools or the models, Perplexity or Claudia or Mistral, as a ChatGPT replacement of search engine of Google. Google gives X answer, this gives Y answer. These are not a search engine. When you put a question, put a prompt on that, they don't give an answer as search engine. They give an answer which initiate workflows, which initiate decision-making process, which initiates learning context. So we have to see this kind of effect happening in industry from these angles, because it helps to solve a real problem. And the challenge for us, for human, as you said, that has to grow up in the value chain to become more creative, use these as a tool to augment their own capabilities.